Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Roman, back with another POV drive. You feel me, chat? Let me see. Yeah, hope this is good, bro. Good enough. I think, yeah, there we go. Should be good. But yeah, man, welcome to another POV drive. Right now I'm on the M1, going home. I was in Bram. I was trying to get the POV done. Not done, but started when I left Bram. Some other guy called us right in front of me, bro. Like, what the hell? That's crazy, dog. Invite to Josie for one day. Get to experience, like, the craziest things, bro. For real. But anyways, chat, I hope y'all are doing good, man. Hope y'all are enjoying the POV drives. Yeah, oh, shoot. The 135 is coming. The POV drive for the 135. Definitely coming. Oh, what the hell? Way too close. We're gonna cut up soon, chat. I know there's a camera somewhere, like, in front there. I'm not trying to be on that. Sir. Alright, those mics, bro. Like, I'm getting rid of those mics. The speed limit is like 100 over here, bro. So I am not trying to, go to jail. I think there's a camera somewhere over here, bro. And obviously you go slow down, bro. Yeah, I'm trying to cut up, chat, but also I'm trying to be safe too, bro. Don't wanna go to jail, dog. Chat, what's going on with this thing? Why is it so... Ain't no cutting up in here, bro, for real. Telling you. But anyways, man, I hope this view is actually nice though. Cause yeah, y'all know, man, with the POV drives, like, bro, something's wrong with my head mount too, bro. I don't know, it's a bit loose. It's looser than usual. I don't know what's going on, but gots to love the M55, bro. Yes, sir. Alright, the road they're reviving to, though, you can cut up nicely, so I hope there's no cops today, cause looks like there's no cops. Fingers crossed. What the hell? Can you all see that beamer? Thing looks weird, bro. Crazy livery. Puta madre. Child, look, you want to learn Spanish, bro. Come on, bro. Chop, chop. Chop, chop, boy. Chop rice. Oh, the fact that you can hear the intakes too sounds amazing. Tama. Don't even know how much horsepower we're pushing though. Like I said, bro, we gonna try to be safe, my boy. Yeah, the car is overheating. Well, it's not overheating, but the fans are going crazy, bro. You feel me? But yeah, man. Them boys be looking at me weird. You just fall on my head, bro. Like, yeah. I hope this thing looks nice, though. I think we're gonna stick with this view, bro. This view is more or less fire. Dusted everyone, boy. Like, there's not a lot of cars actually today. Man, I love this car, bro. Love this car, okay? Let's go. Let go. Alright, bro. I don't even know how long I've been recording for. Oh, shoot! These petrol prices are too expensive, bro. I think y'all are gonna get 8-minute videos. Because nah, bro. Alright, bro. Chat. I hope I recorded long enough. Fingers crossed. You know what? I'm not gonna stop it now. There's like crazy bumps over here, so need to be careful. Alright. It's right here, bro. It's like, bro, speed limit is 80, I'm going 120, bro. This is jail. Reminds me of this one time I was going like 100, bro. Those cops, they don't want to let me go. They were like, nah, you're getting arrested today. I was buying 100 in a 60, no, 108, I think, in a 60 zone. They like, nah, my boy. It's jail time for you. Like, come on, bro. Bro, like 100 is not even speeding, chat, is it? Yes, sir. Alright, that's enough POV for that day. Look at the view, bro. Look at the view. But anyways, chat, I hope you guys did enjoy this POV drive. Don't forget to hit that like button, sub up, do all the above. Yeah. Yeah. No, let me stop, bro. Before we go, I actually dropped a vlog. I was about to pass this place, bro. Oh yeah, chat, I did drop a vlog. Yeah, Audi. Freaking think this is, my boy. But yeah, chat, I did drop a vlog for you guys, introducing the 135. I am gonna record a POV drive. It's not 100% yet, so yeah. For now, I'm just gonna be chilling when it comes to the POV. But yeah, man. Other than that, cutting up to the beam. Oh shit! I almost went. Look, he wanted to, bro. Wait, hold on, bro. That beamer. Needs to catch up to it, bro. Come on, go. Come on. Bro, I'm trying to end the POV. It's not working, bro. God damn, uneven roads. Don't tell me you turning. It's a diesel though, so we might leave him. Bro. Let's see. I'm gonna give him a head start, bro. Hopefully he floors it. If he doesn't, yeah, GG's, bro. It's GG's. Double G's, bro. Wait, let's see. Roll it. Yo, Loki needs to race someone. But anyways, chat, I hope you guys did enjoy this POV. Guess I'm gonna pick you all up next time, bro.